Hey, it's Dr. Mo here. So I know I haven't done a video in a while, so I figured I'd do a video. Who better than Ronald? Ronald is a right tackle at Lake Braddock. This guy, he's getting offers from all the schools now, man.
Yeah.
He's the real deal. He's been coming in for a while, low back pain. I've been adjusting almost everything. I haven't seen you in a couple months now, probably. Couple months. So he's been hurting again. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust him. I usually adjust everything on him. I'm actually gonna look at your ankles as well. Let's see how the hip is, and then kind of go from there.
Okay.
All right, my man. Let's go face down.
All right.
He's been waiting for the beginning of the video. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, you're almost an inch off.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it hurts.
So yeah, so I'm actually gonna adjust the leg itself too, the feet, and then see if I get the ankle movement. All right, buddy. Deep breath for me. All the way up. Good. Nice. This side up for me. Beautiful. Straight to bottom. Good. Who you guys playing this week?
Oakton.
Oh, you're gonna beat him?
Yeah.
On record. Deep breath. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Other side.
Oh. Good.
Yeah, you were off a lot today, my friend.
Yeah.
Deep breath. All the way. Good.
Oh.
Let's go face up. So he used to be a different color hair.
Yeah. I changed it.
All right, my man. Oh. Man,
Gosh.
it's a lot of movement. All right, sit up and take your shoes off. Let me check something. And you're gonna put your feet that way.
Sit up or?
Yeah, actually, you're gonna sit right here.
All right.
Put your feet this way. And take your shoes off. I'm gonna check the ankles. Move back a little bit. Good. Man, how big is your feet?
13 and a half, I think.
Good.
Yeah, they've been hurting on the side a lot.
Yeah, so one thing was your hip was off, so you're putting on your pressure, and then it was actually wasn't moving. So now we moved it, so we'll see. All right, my man.
You good?
Yeah, so if you're watching this video, we got Ronald here. We're trying to make more videos, I promise. But yeah, if you've been watching, just keep watching them. Take care.